So the topic of my speech is called How to Make Money as a Teenager. My name is William Wu, and this is my TED Talk. So as teens in a very consumer-oriented society, we often find ourselves wanting things that are levels above our monthly allocated allowances. Just recently, a friend of mine posted on her story of a record player that she had purchased. I thought it was pretty cool, so I went online and searched for a record player that I could buy. I stumbled upon an antique gramophone from the 1890s in wonderful condition that I really wanted. The only problem was that I didn't have the $750 that I needed to place a bid for it. So I began looking for ways to earn money that wouldn't take away too much time from school or my extracurriculars. Today, I'll share with you guys the different ways of earning money that I've used to buy the things that I've wanted. So the term let your money work for you is something that I truly do believe in. The only problem would be that many teens spend the entirety of their allowance the minute that they get it. So they can't let their money work for them because they don't have any money. And that's why we need a form of making principal. I found that selling unwanted items is a great way of making this principal amount of money. Start by asking your parents if there's anything they don't want in the house. It can be utter trash for you guys, but one man's trash is another man's treasure. And I found that to be extremely true when posting items online. Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and Craigslist are several mediums of selling that I found to be extremely useful when it comes to gaining that principal amount of money. You just have to meet up with the buyer, and voila, your trash turns into cash. Just post an item every week so that you're not spending your majority of your time trying to sell unwanted items. Once you get that principal amount of money, you can start investing. So the stock market is a great way to both earn money off of your principal and learn something new. I've learned a lot about the world through the stock market, and I believe that it can help one immensely in the workforce. When choosing stocks, everyone has a different approach. I choose stocks based off of articles that I've read, brands that I've actually used, my gut feeling, and a lot of other things. There isn't a correct approach. So far, it's worked out great. I've had a 33% gain since July when I started, and it's only February as I'm writing this. This is how you get your money to work for you. The great thing about the stock market is that you don't have to actively worry about it. You can just check it whenever you have time. According to experts, the best investments are those that you can keep for 3 to 5 years. So you can just leave your stock portfolio as is for 5 years. And when you get out of college with a lot of debt, at least you have a way of paying some of it off. Well, that pretty much sums up my approach to how to make money as a teen. Eventually, I was able to afford that $750 gramophone. But after going through so much to earn that little, I reconsidered and decided that I would rather put that $750 somewhere else. That's when I got into the realm of sports betting. And to date, I have lost more than $600. But hey, that's a story for another time. We all make mistakes. And I hope you found this TED Talk useful and not a waste of your time. Good luck and may prosperity find you. Bye.